New from Norwex, skincare simplified. A daily regimen that's as easy as it is effective. Cleaner, safer, better formulations, free from harmful chemicals. As good for you as they are for the environment. And a streamlined, daily routine that provides the foundation for your best skin ever. Hydrated, radiant, renewed. Step 1. Cleanse. Our cleansing facial powder gently cleans and exfoliates without stripping away essential moisture, instantly revealing smoother, healthier-looking skin. Pair with our microfiber face cloths for a thorough, fresh-feeling clean. Step 2. Treat. Rejuvenating serum brightens and improves elasticity, while renewing eye cream nourishes and brightens delicate skin around the eyes. These powerful allies are packed with targeted, skin-enriching ingredients and ultra-hydrating glacial water. Step 3. Moisturize. Hyaluronate glacial water and probiotics in our hydrating moisturizer supports skin's healthy moisture barrier, while illuminating oil imparts a radiant glow. Rich in powerful Nordic antioxidants, these multitaskers help fight free radical damage and environmental pollution. Step 4. Protect. Fast-absorbing Protect and Prevent Mineral Facial Sunscreen is a year-round, everyday essential. This broad-spectrum SPF 30 guards against damaging UV rays, blue light, and pollutants. A regimen that delivers on its promise. Cleaner, safer, better skincare.